Once again, a very good morning, dear students. Yesterday, we have clear the concept about how the technical tree comes. It comes from our natural tree that we have seen yesterday. That is, this is our natural tree. These are the branches. This is the root. These are the leaves. Okay, so we are rotating that natural tree in clockwise direction. So our technical tree comes. Okay, so according to natural tree, our technical tree made. So this is the way we are rotating our tree. This is the root, and these are the branches, and these are the leaves that we have seen. Okay, fine. So we actually started the concept of natural our technical tree concept. So tree is what a finite non-empty set of elements. Again, I'm highlighting the definition here, that is non-empty, finite non-empty. Okay, we are talking about the finite means it should be a some specific number of elements. So tree बनाएंगे तो if we are talking about, we have taken the example our organization, College of Engineering organization, in which you can see that we can elaborate that tree in different way. हम उसको बहुत अलग अलग तरीके से रिप्रेजेंट कर सकते हैं. सो इट शुड बी सम फाइनाइट वे. मतलब वहाँ पे इनफाइनाइट वे में बहुत सारी बड़ी ट्री बनानी है, देयर इज नो एनी लिंकिंग. इट्स नॉट लाइक दैट. इट शुड बी अ फाइनाइट. एंड द नेक्स्ट important word, that is non-empty. It is also very important because it should be the some value. Okay, so this is the concept of tree data structure is. Okay, and it is what abstract model of a hierarchical structure. It should be made the hierarchical structure, and it consists of the parent child relation. Okay, that we have seen all this point. Okay, so there is some, if it is relationship between, if we are creating tree according to your relationship, like your parent, grandparent, grandparent, then child, likewise you can develop the tree data structure. Okay, this point we have seen yesterday. Okay, I hope everyone clear this point. Fine. If any doubt, you can ask, no problem. Okay, so now today we focused on the tree terminology. Okay, so what are the different tree terminology are there? And one important point I want to show you here, that is very important. We have also cleared the concept of why we are flipping, creating the tree from left to right. Okay, so this point I want to show here. So this point is very very important. Okay, so I'm okay,
Yes, ma'am.
fine. Okay, so my yesterday's question is that, again I'm repeating here. You can see this GIF here. The tree fill up from, no doubt, only one original root of our tree. Okay, so we can say that one is a root here. Okay, these are the childs of root one, that is 2, 3, 4, then 4, 5, 6, 7. These are the child. Okay, so according to original tree, this is a root node. Okay, I'm highlighting here. This is what root node here. Okay, this is our original root, we can say. Okay, after that, this is a subtree. This is a subtree. We can call it as it is a subtree. Again, second one, this is also another subtree, and this is third subtree. Okay, so according to that, this subtree, again two is what root of the subtree. Okay, means now different root are there, but the original tree having only one root. This concept should be clear to everyone. Okay, this is very important concept. Okay, so the second question is that, no doubt you know that this is root node. These are the child. 2, 3, 4 is a child of root node. Okay, again 2 is a child, but now according to the subtree, 5 and 6, 5 is again child of who? 2. Means 2 is a parent or root of this 5. Okay, so we can say that this 2 is internal node. Okay, now we are going to see in detail what is the tree terminologies are there, and what are the meaning of each and every terminology. Okay, that we'll see later. Fine. Again, I'm revising this GIF concept is that why the value is filling from left to right. Okay, just see here, it will fill up from left to right, 2, 3, 4, then 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, like that. Okay, so can anybody give me the answer of it, why it is filling from left to right? I want to fill up from right to left. सपोज 1 के बाद मैं 4 3 2 क्यों नहीं फिलअप कर सकती? व्हाई इट्स नॉट पॉसिबल? कैन गिव मी द आंसर ऑफ इट? Yes, tree is having each and every concept having some meaning. Okay, so you should know why it is happen. Clear to all? So anybody can tell me the answer of it? Why the tree flipping from left to right only? This is the direction of left to right. We are flip.
Ma'am,
Yes, yes.
because we are Indians and in Indian culture, we always start from left to right.
Okay, thank you so much. Please clap for him, everyone. It's a correct answer because we are writing, our Indian tendency is writing from left to right always. Okay, क्योंकि हम left to right लिखते हैं, but when we are talking about the Pakistani people, they are writing from left, right to left. That's why the tree concept starts from right to left for them only. Okay, but now our culture is we are filling the data from left to right. That's why the tree always filling from left to right. Okay, I hope everyone clear this concept now. Okay, fine, so we'll move further the next one. Okay, so this is again the main concept of tree, that is who is the root of tree. Okay, the first always remember that this is the root of our tree. Then we'll see each and every terminology one by one, but you should understand this diagram here. Okay, so here is a root. Okay, so we are filling value here. Okay, this is root, this is leaf node. Why it is called as leaf node? Because this node doesn't have any child, there is no child is present, that's why it is called as leaf node. Okay, and this is the parent. Why it is called as parent? So again, the main root having subtree, this is a subtree, this subtree having again child, that is second child, we can say it is a parent. If it is, this is a child of this parent. Okay, this node we can say this is a child of this parent, so no doubt this is the grandparent of this child. I hope everyone clear that the parent child relationship, this is what? Grandparent. Okay, so we can see easily this point. This is a parent, so this is the grandparent of this child. This is a child parent relationship. Okay, so we'll see one by one the tree terminology. Before that, my question is that you can see this tree is empty. Okay, there is no any value stored here. So can we say that the tree empty tree also a tree concept? Is it tree or not? This is my question. Question clear to everyone? I hope everyone clear the question now.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, my question is that is it a tree or not? क्योंकि you can say that this is an empty tree. We are not storing any value. Okay, can we say that it is empty tree? Question समझ में आ रहा है? मैं क्या बोल रही हूँ? This is our empty tree or not? This is my question.
Yes,
Anybody?
ma'am.
Yes. Thank you so much.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, please clap for all the students, those who have given the answer. Yes, it is a empty tree because the tree is having, we are allocating some, we are not allocating any value, but the tree can be also empty tree. We are not storing any value, but इसको हम क्या बोलेंगे? Tree बोल सकते हैं. Okay, so again my second question I want to highlight here, that is very very important. Okay, the second question is that, so it's very important that suppose when a simple root node draw किया है, let's say I'm drawing here root node, single root node. Okay, suppose this is another tree, this is our root. Okay, so I'm saying here there is no child, no child is present. Okay, there is no child, only single root node is there. Can you, it is called as a tree concept? Is it tree or not?
No. No.
No.
Okay, again repeating my question here. I'm writing a single root node here. There is no any value. This is again there is no child present here. That is null. I'm writing here in linked list concept. That is null. Okay, these all fields are null. Okay, so my question is that this is a tree or not? Yes. Yes. Please give me the answer again. Is it?
Yes, ma'am.
It's tree.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, we can call it as a null tree.
Exactly, it is also tree. Some of the student give the answer no, their point of view. Please clap for all the students, those who have given the answer here. Dear student, this it is also called as tree. सिंगल रूट नोड उसमें वैल्यू नहीं है, फिर भी हम उसको एम्प्टी ट्री बोल सकते हैं. Why? Because you can understand the concept of whatever नेचुरल ट्री. ओके, सपोज मैं नेचुरल ट्री के बारे में बात कर रही हूँ यहाँ पे. मुझे बोलो नॉर्मल रूट रहेगा ट्री का, तो उसको हम ट्री नहीं बोलते. मान लो मैं यहाँ पे ड्रॉ कर रही हूँ अभी, सपोज अपना नेचुरल ट्री जो है. ओके, आई एम ड्रॉइंग दिस, दिस इज अवर नेचुरल ट्री. ये रूट है. ओके, दिस इज अवर रूट. ओके, हम उसको ट्री नहीं बोलते. इज इट ट्री और नॉट? लेट्स से उसको ब्रांचेस नहीं है, देर इज नो ब्रांचेस, ओनली रूट इज गिवन. सो इज इट ट्री और नॉट? You should be give the
Yes, ma'am.
yes, it should be give the confident answer that it is a tree. हम नॉर्मल हम मराठी में बोलते हैं खोड. ओके, सो जो ट्री का जो रूट है वो देख के भी हम बोल सकते हैं कि इट्स ट्री. सपोज उसको ब्रांचेस नहीं है तो हम ऐसे बोलते हैं कि ये ट्री नहीं है. इट्स नॉट लाइक दैट, इट इज अ ट्री. सो अगेन दिस कंसेप्ट कम फ्रॉम नेचुरल ट्री. सो सिंगल ट्री भी रहेगा और एम्प्टी ट्री रहेगा, सिंगल रूट नोड रहेगा, then we can say that it is a tree concept. I hope everyone clear this concept now. I hope everyone clear now. Okay, so concept of what tree is. Okay, that again I'm revising. Yes, empty tree also called as a tree concept. Single root node भी रहेगा तो भी हम उसको tree बोल सकते हैं. So we have proved that according to our natural tree. Fine. So now the major concept of tree terminology. What are the different tree terminology that we have to see? That is, what is a root, what is meant by siblings, what are the internal nodes, what are the external nodes, all points we'll see one by one. Okay, so now focus on one by one concept. This is the tree terminology. Okay, the first major part is root node. Okay, so you can see the diagram here. That is, a is what? Root node. So the what is the root node definition? The first node of tree is called as root node. Okay, so this terminology everyone should clearly very well, so that you can clear all the concept of tree data structure. Okay, so you're highlighting in tree data structure, first node is what? The root node here. So you can see in this diagram a highlighted by dark blue color and other highlighted by faint. So you can easily understand that here a is what? Root node. In any tree the first node is called as a root node. I hope everyone clear this concept. And second point, every tree must have a root node. This is a very important concept. Every tree को root node होना जरूरी है तो ही उसको हम tree बोल सकते हैं. So we can say that root node is the origin of the tree data structure. Okay, so I hope everyone clear this concept here. That is, the first node of any tree is what? Root node. And the every tree must have the root node. So the first node जो आएगा tree का, this is called as a root node. And it is very graphical representation is more than keywords. Understandable, clear? So a is, you can say that here the a is root node. So I hope everyone clear the concept of root node here. Okay, fine, everyone clear the concept of root node here? Fine. So the next terminology, that is age. So what is mean by age here? Actually you can see in discrete mathematics also. So what is a tree, what are the age, why it is called as a age now? Okay, so in tree data structure it is connecting link between any two nodes. You can see in the diagram of tree data structure here highlighted, that is the connection between these two nodes, or we can say that these two elements connecting between two nodes is called as a age. Okay, so it is a link between these two nodes called as age. And within a tree an n number of node, the point is very important. This question may ask in MCQs. So this type of question asking, that's why you have to understand each and every part of tree terminology. Okay, so here n number of nodes, there will be a maximum of n minus 1 number of edges. Just concentrate here. What there n number of nodes. So कितने total number of nodes है हमारे tree में? That is 1, that is 2, that is 3, then 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, okay, 9, 10 and 11. This is what total number of nodes here. Okay, number of node, there will be maximum of n minus 1 number of edges. So n minus 1, you can ask the question, there will be some blank spaces. आपको पूछेंगे in tree data structure the n number of nodes, there will be maximum of dash dash number of edges. So it should be n minus 1. How we are going to prove that? So total number of nodes कितने हैं? n. So n की वैल्यू यहाँ पे आएगी 11. Okay, and calculate the edges here. Edges means link between these two nodes. This is 1, this is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So correct the age value equals to what? कितनी आई हमारी 10. So it should be what? N minus 1. I hope you're even clear now the concept of age here. So this type of question may ask in MCQ. Okay. So I hope you're even clear the concept of age. Again, I'm revising here the connecting link between two nodes. This is called as age concept. In a tree with n number of nodes, there will be a maximum of n minus 1 number of edges. So we have proved that n equals to how many nodes are present, total number of nodes in our tree, that is 11. And what will be the maximum number of edges present in that tree? That is always in n minus 1. That's why the age value will be the 10. So total number of n will be 11. So what is the maximum number of edges? It should be the n minus 1. Always remember that. So this is the concept of age here. Okay, so I hope you're even clear now. What is meant by root? What is meant by age? Clear to all? This concept is very, very important. Number of nodes will be the maximum of n minus 1 number of ages. I hope you're even clear. Okay, so this type of terminology you should clear. Fine. So next point, that is the third terminology, that is parent. Okay, so again here the dark blue circle highlighted as a parent. Again the same tree we have given, you can easily see that here. So this is A is a parent. Okay, in tree data structure, node which is a predecessor of any node is called as a parent node. Previous wala node hai, predecessor hai of any node is called as a parent. Okay, so here how many in this the given tree, how many total number of parent node? That is A is parent, B is parent node, then C, then E and G. Why it is highlighted? Because they have child node. That's why it is called as a parent node. Parent node किसको बोले जाएंगे? जिसको child present रहेंगे. So here again in any tree the node which has child or children is called as a parent. Okay, this is one definition of tree, that is in any tree the node which has a child or parent child or children, it is called as parent. Okay, so in our example A is having two child, that is B and C, that's why A is a parent. Again B is having three childs, that is D, E, F. So again we are highlighting only a parent child, that's why B is a parent. Again E is having two childs, I and J, that's why E is a parent node. What about C? C is having G and H child, that's why C is a parent node. What about G? G is also parent node. Why? Because it is having one child, that is K. Okay, so this is the definition, or you can easily understand the concept of parent node here in given diagram. Okay, so we have seen that is in tree any node which has child present, so it is called as a parent node. A node which is predecessor of any other node is called as parent, means the previous node. C का previous कौन हो जाएगा? A, mean that's why it is called as A is a predecessor of that C. Okay, so we can see that A is a predecessor of that C. Okay, so that's why this is the concept of parent. The node which is a predecessor of any node is called as a parent node. In simple words, the node which has a branch from it to any other node is called as a parent node. So these are the different concepts of what parent node is. Okay, so I hope everyone clear the concept of parent here. Okay, so we are highlighting this the concept here. I hope you're even clear the what is the predecessor and what is the child node that we have seen here. Clear to all? Okay. So next point is what the next terminology, that is child. Okay. So what is mean by child? Okay. So previously in parent node we have seen that the Any node having a predecessor is called as a parent. So here is a descendant means the next node, we can say that. Okay, so this is what the child node here. In a given example you can easily understand that. So we are highlighting the child node here, that is B and C is pink color, means pink dark color. So it is highlighted B and C are the child of parent A. Okay, so what is the concept of child node is here? The descendant of any node is called as a child node. So this type of technical terms using, that is ancestor, descendant, predecessor, you should know this terminology, some technical words, because it is asked in MCQs. Okay, so at that time you should know the what is the descendant, what is the ancestor, what is the predecessor here. Okay, so the node which is descendant of any node is called as a child node. Yes, so here childrens are B, C, T, E, F, I, J, G, G, H, K, all are the children of respective parent node. Okay, so in there another word, the node which has a link from its parent is called as what? Child node. So link present from parent to child, it is called as a child node. In a tree, okay, this is concept everyone clear, that is what is a child, there is a descendant of any node is called a child node, that point we have seen. Okay, we are highlighting using different color, that is you can easily understand which node is called as a child node. Okay, so the next line is very important. In a tree, any parent node can have any number of child nodes. Yes, so this is very important point. So these next lines of any definition, this point should be clear so that you can understand the concept of properly. Because why we are clearing this point? Because these terminologies are very very important. We just concentrating on, yes madam, the child is present so it is child. No, you should know the concept of behind this, that is in a tree any parent node can have any number of child nodes. Okay, so everyone can see here, any parent node can have any number of child nodes. In a tree, all the node except root are child node. Yes, except root node, all are node having child nodes. I hope everyone clear. जो parent node है उसको मान लो एवरी पैरेंट नोड हैव नंबर ऑफ चाइल्ड नोड्स हो सकते हैं. पैरेंट नोड ए है तो उसको मल्टीपल चाइल्ड्स हो सकते हैं, बी को भी हो सकते हैं, जी को भी, up to the end. Okay, but except root node there are no child. मतलब root node किसी का child नहीं हो सकता. So I hope everyone clear the concept of child also. I hope everyone clear now. Any doubts still? Okay, so these are the very basic terminology of tree data structure. Fine. So next one is sibling. Okay, so fifth number is sibling. What is mean by sibling here? So you can understand here the highlighted color. Okay, in tree data structure, node which belong to the same parent are called as sibling. Okay, so node is belong to the same parent. You can easily understand using this diagram. So you can clear that B and C highlighted is a light blue color. Okay, so you can easily understand B and C are the siblings. Siblings means हम real brother बोलते हैं, हो ना? Okay, so this is the parent of A. The B and C are real brother. Why? Because B and C belong to the same parent A. Okay, that's why B and C are siblings. We can say that D, E, F are also sibling. Because why? Because these are belong to the same parent, that is B. Okay, D, E, F belong to the same parent B. That's why it is called as a sibling here. Again, it's highlighting G and H in gray color. These are the siblings. Why? Because G and H belonging to the same parent, that is C. Again, similar with I and J. Okay, they both are belonging with the same parent, that is E. So what is the concept of sibling? The node which belong to the same parent is called as sibling here. Okay, so in any tree the node which has same parent, we see that is sibling, and the children of a parent are called a sibling here. Okay, so real brother we can say in our non-technical way. So this is the concept of sibling. It's very simple concept. Okay, so I hope everyone clear now this concept also. Okay, so now we'll see the next terminology, that is leaf node. Here we can see that properly in tree data structure, leaf node. So according to the diagram, you can easily understand here. You can see the diagram here. everyone. Okay, so highlighted only leaf node. So what is a leaf node here? Leaf node means fruit of the tree. Our natural tree is a fruit. Fruit जो भी रहेगा means the node which does not have a child is called as a leaf node. Okay, in any tree which doesn't have a children is called as a leaf node. Is concept of a leaf. Okay, we can say that it is a leaves also. Okay, so in simple words, a leaf is a node with no child. There is child is not present. So we can say an example that is D, I, J, F, K, and H are the leaf nodes. Why? Because there doesn't have the any children are present. Okay, so this is the concept of leaf node. Okay, here in data structure, the next line is very important. The leaf node are also called as a external node. ओके, लीप नोड का ही सिनोनिम क्या है, उसको क्या बोला जाता है? सेकंड नेम इज एक्सटर्नल नोड. ओके, again external node which is also a node with no child. Okay, and a leaf node is also called as a terminal node. Okay, there are two different synonym of leaf node, that is it is called as a external node and it is terminal node. Terminal node means last node, after that there is no any child or any node is present in tree. So the node doesn't have any child is called as a leaf node. I hope you're even clear now. So external node, why it is called as external node? Because we can externally add the another node to that child. हम जब externally add करेंगे, then will we see the B tree and B plus tree concept. So advanced tree when we are going to see, at that time external node concept comes. That's why the leaf node also called the external node. We are adding externally into that tree. Okay, original tree. The concept is what leaf node is. I hope everyone clear now. The concept is leaf node. These are the very simple concept everyone should understand. Okay, the next terminology is internal node. Okay, so what are the different internal node? Again it is highlighting. Okay, so in tree data structure, the node which has at least one child. Okay, if any doubt, dear student, you can ask the question. Some students raise a hand. Yes, you can ask the question, no problem. Fine. So if you now you can ask the question at any time. You can interrupt me and ask the question. Okay, so the next point is internal node. So in tree data structure, the node which has at least one child is called as internal node is. Okay, so in our diagram, it's easily understand that the node is having at least one child is called as what? Internal node. So A, C, G, E highlighted. They are having at least one. A को कितने child से? Two child से. That's why it is called as also internal node. Okay. And any internal node is a node with at least one child should be present. Okay, at least one child given, it is called as an internal node. Okay, so here A, B, C, E, and G. E also having child, G also having one child, so it is called as a internal node. Okay, so every the next point is every non-leaf node is called as a internal node. I hope everyone clear this definition. Every non-leaf मतलब जो leaf node नहीं है, leaf node किसको बोलते हैं? That doesn't have any child, but they means non-leaf means these are the internal node. Okay, so this point should be clear to all. Okay, the next point, in tree data structure, nodes other than leaf node are called as internal node. The root node is also said to be internal node. Yes, why it is highlighting using underline? Because these points are very important. Again, I'm revising here. The root node is also said to be internal node if the tree has more than one node. Yes, रूट नोड को हम इंटरनल नोड बोल सकते हैं बिकॉज इट इज हैविंग मोर दैन वन चाइल्ड. एंड इंटरनल नोड्स आर आल्सो कॉल्ड एज नॉन टर्मिनल nodes. Okay, so it is also called as a non-leaf, non-terminal, non-external is called as a internal node. So you should know the technical term synonym of that term to everyone. Okay, so I hope everyone clear now this concept. So what are the internal nodes are? Okay, so I hope everyone clear now. So we shall we go for the next point here? Till everyone clear what is root, then what is the siblings, what is the leaf node, what are the internal node? You should be clear each and every part. Internal node को क्या बोला जाएगा? Non terminal nodes and non leaf nodes, again it is called as internal node. And what is internal node is? The concept is the node which has at least one child. Okay, so I hope everyone clear this point. Okay, so the next point is degree of node. So this is very, very important concept. Okay, so uh, here you can understand that what is a degree here. Okay, so in tree data structure, the total number of children of a node is called as a degree of that node. Okay, so you can see here what is the degree of a here. What is the degree? Degree means what? The total number of children of that node. So degree of node here, that is 2. Okay, A को कितने child present है? 2. That's why the degree of A is 2. What about B? B is having 1, 2, 3 childs. Okay, you can easily understand here. So the child is B is having 1, 2, 3 childs. So total number of children are 3 B of B. That's why the degree of B is 3. So likewise, you can understand that what is the degree of H here? H doesn't have any children. That's why it is having the 0 degree value. Okay, so this is the concept of degree of node, we can say. Okay, but the next important part is that the degree of node is a total number of children it has. Okay, the highest degree of node amongst all the node in the tree is called as a degree of tree. There are two concepts here. Degree of node is different and degree of tree is different. Degree of node means it respectively particular node, we can say. Okay, and what about degree of tree? The degree of tree is the highest degree of node among is to the all the nodes. तो किसकी highest degree है? We can see here the B is having highest degree 1, 2, 3. So tree की degree क्या आएगी? Degree of tree will be the 3. So we have to find out the highest degree of node amongst all the nodes in the tree. So I hope everyone clear now the concept of degree of node as well as degree of tree here. Okay, so I hope everyone clear this point here. Okay, so we'll see the next point now so that you can clear all these points. The level of tree. Okay, so dear students, I hope everyone clear the today's session. We'll see next next lecture, that is our remaining terminology, that is level wise display and how, what is the height of the tree and all. Okay, now